A kind of celebrity among other flora members, Clover became famous thanks to its rare occasional 4 or even more leaves. No matter the real reason, whether it is a magic wonder or tricks of genetics, Clover is just a garden weed. Or not. If there were lots of clovers in large territories, we would have less nitrogen in the air, and all of the cows in the world would probably never feel hungry. But there would not grow anything else except the clover, because of its ability to spread into the long net of stems and leaves. It is better to use the word carpet to describe the texture of the clover lawn. Leaves from the cover, more likely the knitting pattern, if they were not planted too close to each other. But if they were, plants may have some problems with their relatives. Baby clovers prefer shower, but when they grow older than 1 month after their first sunshine, stems become strong and can stay straight even in the powerful storm. White clovers usually begin to bloom in the 2nd year of planting, but clover is full of surprises, so it can show beautiful flowers even after 2 months since its birth. And it is not a strange thing that clover leaves are the best choice for some cultures to visualize the meaning of the Holy Trinity. For many and many years, it proves its presence as a tiny real earth wonder. And it might appear that all the magical abilities that are attributed to some kinds of clover are not so unreal as they might be considered.